Good morning, folks. We have lots to talk about this morning. Not really, but um, one thing that I'm just watching right now. I see it almost looks like price wants to push higher. We'll have to see here. You see, last night this was the opening candle, brought us down back into this 4-hour fair value gap, and then you see we made a 4-hour FVG to the downside, indicating possible bearishness. But then you see overnight in London hours we have now re-inversed this. So as long as this 4-hour inverse holds today, I think we're bullish, at least to Friday's high. And then if we displace through Friday's high up here, I'm expecting a push to these levels up to 718, I believe it is, up to here. Would be target number one. Don't go too crazy today. It is a Monday with the no news, so it could be very slow, unfavorable price action. But you just never know. But to confirm 719, I need to see strong displacement up through Friday's high, because it is possible we just hold this, go take Friday's high, take all that liquidity that's there, and then come back down. Otherwise this is still just a big buy model up to 719. So then if we break this down to the hourly chart, you see, yeah, we inverse the 4-hour. However, if we drag this hourly FEG up here, you see we are this 4-hour FEG, sorry. If we drag it up here on the hourly chart, you see we are rejecting this hourly still. So to be confident that we are going up to Friday's high, I need to see a close over uh, 578 on the hourly chart. So I mean, or if we start displacing up through this hourly, then Friday's high is an easy target. But we have to get through here first. So as of right now, it's just a little pullback and then a retrace to this hourly to fill this, and then possibly either go back lower. You see, we have very close equal lows here, so that could be a sign that price will go back lower. They are not perfect equal lows; they're off by a tick, I believe. But so yeah, this hourly will be my bias, at least in the morning session. I want to see either push through this or strong rejection from it to show we're going back to overnight lows. We could get something in this morning as well, such as like a Judas swing. So we get like our fake swing down. We take out London and I guess yeah, it would just be London lows. Asia lows are up here, but this would be your London lows, and then we go back higher. That is also a possibility. So just something that you need to be aware of as well. But yeah, just that's the condition today is that 4-hour, and just remember we are still in a 4-hour inverse that we are respecting. You see how we bounced right into it, bounced not quite off the middle of it, but you see how well that area is being respected. If we go down to the 4-hour chart, this is something worth noting as well. I'll get rid of them equal lows. You guys probably know what's coming, but if you look at this, we'll get rid of these. We'll go with one. All right. If you go with these, you kind of see, okay, we have hit 50% retracement here of this of this downswing, and then we've hit 50%. So if you're bullish, you want to see price continue to push higher here. So that's what I'm watching on NQ. Is that hourly ES? Let's check out ES. So ES, same thing as NQ. Made a 4-hour FEG coming down. You see it has not retested it yet, which it does not have to since the NQ did. It doesn't have to retest it at all as a matter of fact. But you see, as long as this holds, I'm still going to be leaning bullish today. We'll see if we have an hourly FVG that we are rejecting. We do not. So the only FVG I see here on ES is here, and you see we already closed above it, and then we retested it, and now we're still holding this. So yeah, for ES, as long as this hourly and the 4-hour inverse hold down to here, still gonna be bullish back to Friday's highs, which are sitting up here at 44.3550. So I would be looking for those first, and then if we pushed up through 44, 35.50, the draw is going to be this 4-hour FVG that is sitting just above. I talked to you guys about this on Sunday morning's video, up to 44, 47 ish area, and then honestly, if we push through this, I think we're just in a huge buy model, and we're gonna start running just all this, all this entire downtrend just gonna start getting ran here. So. And then I think we're just straight bullish, right? Because if we go to here, we're most likely going up to 4,500, 4,560 would be the next target. It's probably this high right here would be the next target if we violate this 4 hour. So look for 44, 47 if we push up through there, which is it is a 50-point 4-hour FVG. But if we're showing no signs of disrespecting it, then look for a push up to these highs up to 45.14. If we do start getting bearish today and we start violating these 4 hours, remember ES has perfect 4-hour equal low sitting down here. Right here at 45, 43.25. You have equalo here, equalo here. And then with the 4 hour just below it would be the bearish targets for ES today. Did not really give a bearish target for NQ. Um, I mean NQ we could just pull something like if we hit one of these hourly FVGs below here, below the 0.55, and then go higher. But remember, NQ also has some relative equal lows sitting down here. Kind of, they're a little bit off. They're off by a tick. But you see, these were left Thursday night into Friday morning. So these could be a draw as well if price starts to get bearish. So if we start slicing down through these through these hourlies and show no signs of going back up, look for 15,207 as a bearish target on NQ. So with that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you in chat.